Good morning. Welcome to Mr. Man waffling about circle theorems. So hopefully you've realised all the basic stuff, like if there's any 2 points on a circle like these two, the angle they make up there is exactly the same as the angle they make up there. That's called angles in the same segment. You've hopefully realised that when you've got the centre, the angle at the centre is twice the angle at the circumference. So if this is 2x, this one will be x. You've realised that if the line passes through the centre, not like that line, let's try again, then you always get a right angle. Doesn't matter where it is, you always get a right angle, as long as you're touching the edge of the circle. And what's the other one? Oh yeah, if you've got a four-sided shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the opposite angles add up to 180. So if that's, say, 50, that's 130. All right, those are the basic rules. There's some other subtle things that you may not have spotted. I think Tessa was asking me yesterday about a question that looks something like this, where you've got the center of the circle and there's a triangle doing something like that, and then there's some other bits and bobs like that, let's say. Now, this triangle here is isosceles because that's a radius and that's a radius. So if you know this little angle down here, let's say, for example, that's 40, then its friend over there is 40. Because it's isosceles, the two angles are equal. So this angle up here would be 100. And oh look, there's the angle at the circumference. So I look back at this rule over here. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So this angle must be 50. Okay, so there's some little tricks like that. Things like the radiuses are equal. I don't know, sometimes, what else is there? Sometimes you have sort of lines passing through the center and there's other sort of complicated stuff going on. And you're trying to puzzle it out and you can't figure out what's going on. As soon as you see a line passing through the center, that should set off alarm bells and you think, oh, there's a right angle. As soon as there's a line through the center, think right angle. So that might help you. You might be given, say, this angle, and you know this angle because let's say this one is 30, this one is definitely 60 because they have to add up to 90. Don't they? If this angle is 90, the other two angles will have to add up to 90. So look out for little tricks like that. Isosceles triangles and right angle triangles. I hope you enjoyed doing the sheet today. It should give you some more confidence and more experience. And then we'll try the quiz at the end, and I'll be monitoring it, see how you get on. Okay, see you soon. Bye.